Hey folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my 1989-90 John Deere 185. So this thing left me stranded yesterday when I was trying to get the grass cut to get ready to go out on vacation. And I want to show you guys the symptoms that I was experiencing and how I fixed it. So again, this is my John Deere 185 Hydro. It has the Kawasaki FC 540 motor. This is about, like I said, a 1989 or 1990. There's the model number. And what had happened was I came to fire up the lawnmower and I noticed, I believe, one of my children left the headlight switch on. So of course that ran the battery down and I had to get my battery charger out to charge the battery up. That's all well and good. So what happened was, I believe the mistake I made was I plugged my charger up to the battery like normal, and I was in a rush, I was in a hurry, and I wanted to get the grass cut. So I flipped the charger on quick start, which is actually a 50 amp quick start. And from what I have heard and read on other resources, other YouTube videos, is that these motors, this system does not like a 50 amp supercharge. So what I believe happened, let's walk around on this side. Now, after I did that, so before I show you what I believe happened, after I did the jump start, I came back over to the key, and first time I tried to start it, I turned it over and it just clicked, you know, dead battery, low battery symptoms, right? So then after I jump started it, or tried to jump start it with my battery charger, I came over and I turned the key, and as opposed to the lights that are on right now, there were no lights whatsoever when it came on. So through some searches and a little research, what I believe and what I have replaced that has seemingly fixed the problem is this voltage regulator right behind the battery. Now the original one is here. There's the part number if you need it. It is SH578-12. It's a Shindingen, Japanese brand. So if you're looking to replace one of these, use that part number. From what I saw as of last night, they were in the neighborhood of about 50 or 60 bucks for this brand. If you get the John Deere brand, they are a little bit more expensive. And then I went with one off of Amazon for about 20 bucks. So we'll see how long that lasts. So after I replaced the voltage regulator, come over here. And she fires right up. So if you guys are seemingly having some electrical issues or no power whatsoever to your dash lights, it could very well be the voltage regulator. You might want to give that a try. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.